In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Supercell verification code not being received here in Brawl Stars. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you're not receiving the Supercell verification code in your email, don't worry. It's usually not a game issue. It's most likely related to your email inbox. And here are two simple fixes that you should try. Firstly, make sure that your Gmail app or whatever email app you're using is fully up to date. Simply go to the App Store and check for updates. This is super easy to go and do. You just have to search up the app again, click on the profile of the app, and then if it says update, just click update and it'll update the game. Just because an outdated version might block or delay new emails, including that Supercell code. The next one is also pretty simple, and it's also in your email app. And you're just going to want to go ahead and check either your spam folder or your promotions tab, or even under the more section, just because it can be hidden under there as well. But Supercell emails sometimes do get flagged if you've requested codes multiple times or your inbox filters are just aggressive. If you've tried both and still aren't receiving your code, just wait a few minutes and try again later, or let us know down in the comment section below. But if this video did help you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Brawl Stars fixes and tutorials. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.